Hey beauties! Today I'm walking you through my step-by-step makeup routine. A fresh, flawless look. Grab your brushes. Let's get started. First things first. Clean, moisturized skin. Lightweight moisturizer. Apply for hydration. Smoothing primer, blur pores and extend wear. Just a pea-sized amount. Focus on the T-zone. Next up, foundation. I'm using a medium coverage liquid foundation that matches my skin tone. Dot on cheeks, dot on forehead, dot on chin, dot on nose. Blend out with a damp beauty sponge. The key here, tap, don't drag, for a natural finish. Now let's tackle those under-eye circles. Apply creamy concealer in a triangle under the eyes. Blend with the same sponge, dab a bit on the eyelids. Dab on any blemishes for extra coverage. To lock everything in, translucent setting powder. Using a fluffy brush, sweep over the T-zone, sweep under the eyes. This keeps shine away without looking cakey. Time to warm up the face. Matte bronzer, apply on cheekbones, apply on temples, apply on jawline. Use an angled brush, less is more, build slowly for a natural sun-kissed glow. For blush, a soft pink shade, sweep onto the apples of the cheeks. Smile and blend upwards for a lifted look. Highlight time, champagne highlighter on the tops of cheekbones, down the nose, a touch on the Cupid's bow. Instant glow, no filter needed. Let's move to brows. Fill in brows with a precise pencil following your natural shape. Short hair-like strokes make all the difference. Set them with a clear brow gel. For eyes, neutral eyeshadow sweep on the lids, a slightly darker shade in the crease. Blend, blend, blend. A quick line of brown eyeliner close to the lashes. Curl lashes. Add 2 coats of lengthening mascara. Almost done. Line lips with a nude pencil. Fill in with a creamy lipstick. Dab a bit of gloss in the center to make them look fuller. Finally, spritz setting spray. And there you have it. My go-to makeup look from start to finish. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more makeup tutorials, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.